Hi, Nisolo. So I was first introduced to Nisolo several years ago because my friend Nick bought a pair of boots from them and they're pretty clean. But for those that don't know, Nisolo is a men's and women's footwear company, and they focus on 5 main pillars, including people, planet, transparency, accountability, and collaboration. So that company is built on that sustainability framework, at the same time making some pretty awesome shoes. And today we're gonna unbox 2 of them, so let's get into it. Ooh. Here's the first. Alright, so we're going to do this one first. So this is the men's Huarache sandal in the tobacco finish. I don't know if the camera's picking this up. There we go. So this is the men's Huarache sandal in the tobacco finish. So I normally wear a size 9 with sneakers, running shoes, and a size 8 for boots, 8.5 sometimes. And so I picked these up in a size 9. All right. So here they are. So you can see both of them. So it's one of their top sellers. It's hand woven, very high quality, great to be dressed up or down, and perfect for warmer weather. It has a slip-on style. It's flexible, no slip rubber sole, as you can see right here. It has water-resistant leather. But these look great. Here's the inside of the shoe. So these look great to just wear by itself with shorts, or I would probably wear it with like linen pants or jeans and cuff it up. But what I really like about these is that you could style these up or down. So excited for these ones. So this next one is the Alejandro slip-on in the brandy finish. Nice. So these ones look like they each come in their own shoe bag. Nice. Comes in their own shoe bag. 1 shoe bag per shoe. So let's open this one up. Alright. So this is the Alejandro slip-on in the brandy finish. There's the bottom. I also picked these up in a size 9. Take this out. Let's see. This one is also in a slip-on style. Has premium cushioned insoles. Not sure if the camera's picking that one up. High quality leather, water resistant leather upper, nicely woven, vegetable tanned leather sole. Let's see if we can get a close up on that. Also has a rubber heel. Really nicely made. Like the Huaraches, you could dress these up or down. So let's pull out the other shoe so you can see both of them. Ooh. Let's pull this out. There we go. So there is the pair. Really nicely made. Well, there you have it for Nisolo. Great company framework with sustainability. And what's even better is that their products are good. If you're interested in any of these sandals, go check them out. The link is in the description. And I have some pretty good outfits I want to wear with both of these sandals, and they're all from Huckberry. So go check out my Huckberry unboxing video. The link is going to be in the description as well as the corner of this video. And just a preview, I'm wearing one of the shirts from Huckberry. It's from 45. Extremely comfortable, Pima cotton, just great all around. And I think, honestly, it'd be a good combination with these. So check out those videos. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.